Welcome to this playlist. I am Carolina Toth, and today I want to give you a short introduction just to see what to expect from here. I am a big believer of really reaching deep down inside of you, because after everything that's around you stripped away, all you have is you. Big words, I know, but coronavirus or no coronavirus, we can only take every day, just one day at a time. So it's like whatever is bothering you from yesterday, it's gone. Whatever is worrying you from tomorrow is not yet here. And when I recorded the first video, I was feeling low and I was doing some cleaning because I thought if I do some cleaning, it's going to make me feel a lot better, which is usually true with just accomplishments for me. And I found this sheet of paper with my favorite memories, and I decided that I wanted to share that with the world because it made me feel really great. And so I just randomly recorded me telling you how to create your own list of favorite memories. And so after that, I just decided that I would come up for some self-reflecting exercise for every day of the week, so that if you want, you can reach inward. I am quite an extrovert myself, but sometimes by reaching to your innermost fears or accomplishments or things that you're thankful for, you can have deeper conversations with whoever you want, loved ones or complete strangers, doesn't matter. I think that if you are slowing down a bit every day for you, you are eventually gonna come out stronger, tougher, and of course more self-aware. But in my opinion, that's just the only person you can count on is you. So I hope that this playlist is gonna give you some strength when you need it. Of course, the exercises are not limited to the day on which I had assigned them to. And you are not limited to doing only one per day, and you are not limited to having to do all of the exercises in a specific week, and you are not limited to doing them only once. So just let your imagination take you wherever you need to go. But I hope that by doing these exercises, you are gonna gain some comfort in your own skin and hopefully some comfort in your own apartment and in your own situation, whatever it may be. And of course, if you have any other methods that these videos remind you of, please put them in the comments below, because some people might be hungry for just exactly the exercise that came to your mind. I hope you will have a pleasant week doing these exercises, and I hope to see you next time.